Indeed, Mr. Lance, for the average person, zero in finances often means having nothing. It's a negative. How did you flip this concept on its head to become the foundation of security and freedom?
Well, that's a good question. It becomes a sacred foundation, if you will, because you know that no matter what the market does, you're not going to lose your principal and you're not going to lose what you've earned over the previous years. So that's where zero is your hero. That you, as a worst case scenario at the end of the year, have zero growth, but you also had zero losses. So your principal and what you've earned over the previous years are still intact, not touched, not diminished.